This is OXO Good Grips 3-piece small square short pop container set. And I just take out one and I'm going to show you how to use it. So this is made of plastic, very it's clear and it's pretty hard. And you can see the thickness. Overall the material is no problem. And on the bottom here are 4 little knobs for the better, stable, put it on the table. This size is very easy to handle. For me, I can easily handle with one hand. And this is about 1 liter, so it can put a lot of snacks, and especially if you buy something from the grocery store, like 1 pound and 2 pound, and you open the package but you just cannot use them all. Even though it comes with the seal, but it's not easy to take out. It's just better to put that inside. So this is 1 pound of the dried goji berries, and I think just about to put into 1 jar. And let's put a cap on, just press. And now it's airtight, it's very good. You just cannot open it, use your hand. And it looks great inside, especially you put 3 of them, or even you buy 2 sets for 6. You can put a lot of dry stuff in here. Like you can even put tea bags inside or any snacks for the kids. It's very accessible, and you know what's exactly in there and how much left over. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.